Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to solve this question, and we're going to find the value of x. So let's start. How we're going to solve? First I will write the solution, and then I'm going to write 5x plus 6 is equals to 6x plus 5, and as we know that a is to power n plus m is equals to a and product of a m. So here I'm going to write 5 to power x multiplied by 5 to power 6 and 6 to power x multiplied by 6 to power 5. So now what I will do, I'm going to divide 6 to power x on both sides. So I will get 5 to power x and 6 to power x dot 5 to power 6 and 5 to power 6 equals to 6 to power x divided by 6 to power x, 6 to power 5 divided by 5 to power 6. So here I have divided here 6 to power x and 5 to power 6 on both sides. So what will happen? This will deduct 6 to power x, 6 to power x, and 5 to power 6, 5 to power 6. So we're going to have 5 to power x and 6 to power x equals to 6 to power 5 divided by 5 to power 6. Now the situation is almost very clear. What we will do, we'll just simply take the power common and write 5 to power 6 whole power x equals to 6 to power 5 and 5 to power 6. And now we'll take log of 5x 6 to power x equals to log 6 to power 5 divided by 5 to power 6. So that will be x log 5 upon 6 equals to log 6 to power 5 divided by 5 to power 6. And now as we know that when we take log, so we just calculate the value of log with that, but first we divide log 5 upon 6 on both sides. So here I will get x log 5 upon 6 divided by log 5 upon 6 equals to log 6 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 6 divided by log 5 upon 6. That will deduct both this value, and we're going to have x equals to log 6 upon 5. We're going to carry on this question on next page. So here we will have x equals to log 6 to power 5 and 5 to power 6 divided by log 5 upon 6. Now as we know that log x upon y is equals to log x divided by log y. So here x is equals to log 6 upon 5 minus log 5 upon 6 divided by log 5 minus log 6. So by applying log, we will get x is equals to 5 log 6 minus 6 log 5 divided by log 5 minus log 6. So here this is our answer. So subscribe if you want to watch more tricks of mathematics. Thank you.